Dear viewers, welcome to another amazing tutorial by Seekti Zhao. Today I'm going to show you how to create another user account without email address on Windows 11. It had been a pretty simple task in earlier versions of Windows, but somehow, Windows 11 compels users to create Outlook email account. Anyhow, I'm going to show you the hidden Windows 11 settings that let you create new user account for your PC without Outlook email account. First of all, let me show you the settings of Windows 11 to create new user account. If the Windows 11 on your system was installed by Shopkeeper or someone else, you may see their name here instead of your name. This information of administrator account is added during installation of Windows 11 and doesn't need email address. However, if you log in here with your Outlook email account, Windows will automatically update your name here. If let's click a Family and Other Users tab. In this window, if you try to create account for family or other users, Windows doesn't let you create one without Outlook email account. The last option is for Kiosk app. This is used to allow users to open only selection programs on the computer. Now let's get to the hidden settings of Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows icon and click Run. Now you have to type NETPLWIZ and press OK button. Click Add. Now click on Sign in without a Microsoft account. Here you can see the difference between using local account and Microsoft account on Windows 11. Click on Local account. Type the particulars. Click Next and then Finish. Viola, you have created another user account on Windows 11 without Hotmail account. If this video solves your problem, give it a like and subscribe my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks.